Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create checklists in your account on the Avast web browser. So let us dive into this. Start by launching the Avast browser and click into Notes here on the left hand side. And then guys, what you want to do is start a new note, but instead of using a text note, click into checklist. Of course, you can stay in the text note and use a numbered list here. So give it a title and then enter these checkpoints here, right? So you can do that as well, but as said earlier, you can create a checklist, for example, I don't know, sports or something like that, and then create these items like go to gym, go cycling, and so on and so forth. Click into save, and if you'd like to check these points, click into them to complete the checklist. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.